I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to download your account statements from Interactive Brokers, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Eshraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Reports. Once logged in, find the Reports section in the main menu. This is where you can access your account statements. Step 3. Select Activity Statements. In the Reports section, look for activity statements to view your transaction history and account summaries. Step 4. Choose the date range. Select the date range for the statements you want to download. Make sure to double check the dates to get the correct information. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting your date range, click on the download button to save your statement in your preferred format such as PDF or CSV. Sometimes, the download might take a moment to process, so be patient if the file doesn't appear immediately. I hope this guide helps you easily access your account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.